What is WhatsApp channel? Hi guys, so in this video I will show you what is WhatsApp channel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So basically, a WhatsApp channel is something that is a one-to-many broadcast service. It can be a podcast, but sort of like that, but not really like that since you can join in there and you cannot just listen to it. It needs to be live listening. It is separate from private messaging and it is designed to help people follow information from people and organizations that are important to them. So if you head over to WhatsApp right here, then from in there you can just click on updates right here. And then from in there you can see the channels that you're into. So if you click on a channel, you can see an update regarding that person, and if they host a call on that channel, you can also get updates from that call. As you can see, you can back read on these updates and you can just see what happens on their day on that specific day. So if you want to join a channel, you can just scroll down and here you can see the find channels. So click on see all right here. Then from in there, you can just search for channels that you want. You can just click on the plus sign right here to join that. You can click on this search icon right here to search for someone's channel, and then you can join their channel. Now that's what I've done on my channel right here. On this person's channel, I have joined them. So usually if you join a channel, the followers and admins can see your phone number from a channel and your contacts can see when you follow a channel unless they are the channel admin. So it is very safe and secure for you to use. So it's a very useful feature in WhatsApp. If you have a lot of people talking to you, you can just invite them to your channel and they will be updated if you're available to talk or not. So that's the whole process. I hope this video will help you to know what is a WhatsApp channel. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!